good, everybody? So quick video to drop on the channel. Basically, if you guys didn't hear it, there will be no dessert name for Android Q. Android Q, or the 10th variation, or actually 12th, but technically, it's just simply going to be called Android 10, which, I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's kind of sad because a tradition that we've all become used to is gone. We're no longer going to get clips from the Android YouTube channel showing us, some little leak drops of like what the next version of Android's going to be called, dessert-wise, dessert code names that we've even had some fun submitting in our ideas. So, yeah, the last ever dessert name for Android will be forever known as Pie. For now, unless they decide to change that up. And people can speculate and say like, oh, you know what, the people at Google are not that smart. They can't come up, with like a dessert name that starts with Q. And I'm going to challenge everyone right now, those that see this video, if you can come up with, however many dessert names you can, do that in the comment section of the video. Dessert names that start with the letter Q. Let's see how many that people can come up with, because that'd be kind of fun, right? Even though Google's not going to name Android 10 with a dessert code name, doesn't mean we still can't have fun with it. We can still have fun with it. We can still give it an unofficial name, okay? So those people that are going really hard about it, like real hard, like getting superly pissed off, I don't know why, because we're still getting Android. Android's not going anywhere. Yeah, I don't. Ooh, they almost hit that car. Anyhow, yeah, so literally straight up, yeah, that was almost an accident right there. I'm not gonna go film it. I'm not that stupid, but for the fact is, we're still getting Android. No reason to get upset about it, However, one thing that I do want to point out is that they actually changed the logo of Android. They did this little video on the Android YouTube channel. You guys can go check it out. They were showing like the new design. It's not really like a major facelift with the design, it just has the word Android at the bottom, and it has the head of Andy, the Android robot. That is his name. I don't know why they didn't reference to it. He's known as Andy the Android robot. Yes, they got him from like an old retro video game. That's where they got the design from, if you didn't know where they got the Android robot design. But his name is Andy. And, yeah, so they only have his head. So not his whole body. Just his head above the word Android. And they talked about using different color palettes and all these different things, which is just basically a bunch of hooplas and blah blahs. And I don't really give a, type of thing. So you guys are trying to do a facelift for Android. Do that with the UI too as well, right? Like give us a fresh new, user interface, like facelift update for that. But yeah, it's not a big deal that there's no more dessert names. We can come up with some ourselves, right? So again, do that in the comment section. Let me see how many you guys can come up with. That'd be pretty dope. But yeah, going forward now, it'll just be Android and probably like Android 11, Android 12, Android 13. That'd be kind of funny because if they get into that territory, right? Can you guys imagine Android 18 and they actually use Android 18 from Dragon Ball? That'd be kind of sick. That'd be sick if they did that. But yeah. So right now it's just Android 10. That's really what it is. No dessert names and a new Android logo. Like I said, you guys can check it out on the Android YouTube channel. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. That's a quick little video. I wasn't even planning on doing a video today, but yeah, a quick little video for you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a like. If you get subscribed, I appreciate that. And hit the bell option to know when I upload. And as always, everybody, aloha.